Hello and welcome to this activity. Today, we're going to be learning how to create a stained glass image using the image generation and drawing tools in Adobe Express. Start by opening a new drawing project. And from the menu on the left-hand side, click Templates to bring up the template menu. We're going to select the top option, Generate Coloring Page. Here, you can add a description of what you want your colouring page to look like. We're going to use this as the basis for our stained glass window. So I'm going to describe a line drawing of a Christmas angel. I'm going to write that I want a line drawing of a Christmas angel inside a circle with black lines and no fill. Press Generate and Adobe Express will create 4 different images based on your description. If you don't like any of these 4, you can select Generate More, and it will create another 4 images for you to choose from. Pick your favourite and double tap the image to add it to your canvas. Now we have the basis of our image, but it doesn't look much like a stained glass panel yet. We need to add some detail to make it look like it's made up from lots of pieces of glass. We're going to start by closing down the template menu and toggling off colouring mode. Next, we're going to set up our brush to draw our lines. Click the brush icon and make sure that the hard round brush is selected. We want a black line and we're going to reduce the size all the way down to 15. Now we can start adding detail. Start by drawing a circle all the way around your image. This is going to be the frame for our picture. Don't worry if your circle isn't perfect. Once it's complete, hold it for a moment and Adobe Express will automatically snap it into a perfect circle. To make our image look like a panel of stained glass that's made up from lots of smaller pieces, we're going to break up the large background area into lots of smaller sections. You can use the snapping tool to help you create sharp, crisp lines by drawing a line as best as you can and then holding it for a moment until Adobe Express snaps it into a perfectly straight black line. Finish adding detail by breaking up your outer circle into different sections. And then you're ready to add your colour. To do this, select Fill from the menu on the left and then choose your chosen colour. The kind of blue I want isn't available on one of these swatches, so I'm going to select the swatch that has the tool icon, then click Custom and choose the exact shade of blue that I want to use to colour my stained glass piece. To fill a section, simply double tap within the lines to completely fill that area. You can repeat this as many times as you like, and you can use the Fill tool and the custom colours to completely fill your panel using any colours that you want. I'm going to finish off my image by adding in 2 small details. For the first, I'm going to use the brush tool and reduce the size down to 6. Then I'm going to pinch out with my fingers to zoom in and draw a little smile on my angel's face. Next, I'm going to pinch my fingers together to zoom back out so I can see my whole image, and I'm going to click on Colouring Mode. This means that I can't draw outside my lines. I'm going to select the soft round brush and I'm going to choose an orange colour to add some highlights onto my angel's wings. When you're happy with your image, you can rename your project and give it a title. Click in the top left corner of the screen, delete the text, and add in your new title here. I'm going to call mine Stained Glass. To save a copy of your image, click Download in the top right corner of the screen, then click Download again, to save your image to your camera roll. We hope you enjoyed trying this activity and had fun learning how to create your own stained glass style images. Why not try creating your own panel using a different theme? You can use the Generate template to describe your favourite festive scene, and Adobe Express will create you a template that you can use to create your own stained glass style image. You could even use this image to create your own virtual Christmas cards to send to friends and family.